Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Patriot 2, which is the new Silhouette edition that came out in 2017 at the ending of the year. So what you have on the side is basically an illustration of the 1-month subscription you will be receiving for Silhouette's website to download any vectors and ideas for stickers to make. On the back you're going to be able to see some of the features. You're able to do Bluetooth, PicScan, and some of the downloads you can get for your iPhones, Androids, Kindles, and for your Windows computers. So the cool thing about this is basically it's going to be wireless, where you feed your material into it and it's going to be able to print right off of your laptop and any of your handheld devices. So the new thing about the Patriot 2 is it incorporates like Cameo 3 material and Patriot material, and it basically comes up with the Patriot 2. So on the side you're basically being able to see that it cuts cardboard, cardstock, and multiple vinyl materials such as like heat transfer and regular vinyl oracle. So the cool thing on the side is basically you can see 3D objects that are able to be made from it, and I mainly bought it for the scan feature where it cuts around sticker material. And I do have new sticker material that I just got to test out. It's called Rock Paper Scissors Full Sheet. So let's get into it. There actually was a deal on Amazon where this was about $140 off of its original sticker price. So it came out to about $142 after tax and shipped, because I do have Amazon Prime. The cool thing about it is that this was actually a starter kit, so I did pick it up and it did come with 2-year warranty from Assurion, which is the guy that insures the cell phones. So right here we have a wall plug-in. It came with the extra cutter for the blade, and right here it came with a 24-pack of stencil markers. I guess you can just plug them in and it will stencil out a certain color, I guess, when you choose the option. I did get 2 cutting mats with this option, so it was pretty cool. So I could basically cut multiple colors at once if I just feed one in, cut, feed the next one in, so that's pretty cool. Right here, I guess this will be the connector for your computer. And right here's the Patriot. It's pretty small, actually. It's not what I expected it to be. So let's get into it. Right here's the Patriot unboxed. It's about 16 inches long. And the cool thing about it is it only cuts 8 inches width, but it could go up to about 6 feet long. I don't really need it to cut that long because I do have a 34-inch plotter. And the cool thing about it is that when I get leftover material, I just put it on the side. So now that leftover material could actually go to use, because most stickers that you see on cars are approximately 4 inches height by 7 to 8 inches length. So that is what perfectly can be cut on the Silhouette. So a lot of leftover material will be able to be reused. That's why I did pick up the Patriot, to reuse material, but to also make those new cooler stickers that you can print out of a printer, and this thing will be able to cut around it. So thanks for watching. I hope you appreciate this video. I will leave the Amazon link down below so you could check it out, see if the deal's still there. I did pick this up on a flash sale, so I'm not too sure if it's still going to be the same price point, but let's see if it's worth it. I'll definitely leave a review in a couple days. So thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to stay tuned for the review.